big adjustment, isn't it?
Yeah.
Better reflexes. How far did you feel it go down?
I don't even know. Like I felt like in my cheeks.
You can tell, but your right foot is a little bit short. Does this tighten up in your low back?
Right in here, and just a little right in here.
Drop it. Drop. Tailbone. High as you can. Drop it. Hey guys, this is Dr. Lewis at Chiro in Jackson, Tennessee, and we have Miss Tiffany with us here. And Miss Tiffany is a first-time chiropractic patient. She's never had any kind of chiropractic done. We're very excited for this. Now, she's also going to be one of the very first patients to be on our new table. We just got this in yesterday, so we're excited about that. She right now comes in with some pretty severe back pain in between her shoulders, like her shoulder blade, like thoracic spine area. She also has some neck tightness and stiffness, and some low back pain that started from when she had to have an epidural with her she had an emergency C-section. So, which is a common thing. We've heard a lot of patients, and I think what happens with that is you just get trauma induced to the lumbar spine, and so it just kind of develops inflammation, so to speak, and just lingers. And so. She also is on her feet a lot because she is working at Sam's. So, all right. So we're gonna go ahead and have you lay on your stomach right there. Your face is gonna go where that paper is. So the very first thing that we're gonna do, and I'm gonna explain everything to you, okay? Because you've never experienced it. So I'm just gonna check, and right now I don't know if you can tell, but your right foot is a little bit short compared to your left. Now, when I want you to bend your knees for me, does this tighten up in your low back or anywhere?
Right in here, and just a little right in here.
Okay. I want you to keep your right leg straight. Raise it up as high as you can for me. Drop it. Try the left one. Drop it. Which one, if any, felt more difficult?
This one.
The right one. Okay. So we're gonna start. You're gonna feel the piece where your legs and your pelvis is pop up. Okay.
What do I do with my hands?
Oh, you can put them right there.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah. So here we go. Sounds like a what's the air compressor is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure get the tightness right. All right. So we're gonna work on the right side. Okay. So you're gonna feel a drop. Here's your tailbone. And here's your left SI. Good. Now these next three might be a little tender. I want you to raise that up as high as you can. Drop it. Try this one. Drop it. Have you ever had a massage gun?
Yes. I wish I had one now. Oh yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Okay, raise that up as high as you can. Drop it. Let's try the left one. Drop it. Good. Yeah, these are very, very nice.
Yes, they are.
Good Christmas gifts, too.
Right.
Okay, raise the left one up as high as you can. Drop it. Let's try the right one. Drop it. Good. Is that feeling any easier?
It is.
Good. And we're even. Feel how even that is? as tight? Or does it feel as tight?
Not as tight as it was.
Okay. So just keep breathing normally. So you're gonna feel me put a little pressure back here, okay? Good. Ooh. Good deal. Doing okay? Good. Okay, just let your head bend naturally here. Wow. Good deal. Okay, now you're gonna feel your head pop up. Good. Okay, lay on your back. How you doing so far?
Pretty good.
Good. So you've never had your neck adjusted, right?
Never.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it.
Unless you count your kid jumping on you.
That's probably why you hurt so much.
Mhm.
Awesome. Feel okay?
Mhm.
Good. Okay, keep laying right there. Did you like that one?
I did.
Okay, now I'm gonna have you sit on up, and I'm gonna have you face to your left.
I was like, wait, which way's my left?
There you go. Gotta think about it. Okay. I want you to look left, look right, look straight. So I'm gonna shoot you.
Okay.
Go left. Go right. Look straight. Bend back. All right, go left. Right. Straight. Bend back. And relax. Good deal. Okay, look left. Look right. Does that feel smooth?
I feel lighter for some reason.
I know it. Well, it's honestly, it's because we're releasing endorphins, making you feel good. All right, let that relax. Got a little grinding in that one.
Mhm.
Okay, let it drop. Are you right-handed?
I am.
Yep. All right, come on over here. So you're going to sit right here and lay flat on your back.
This way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. Actually, come down just a little bit. That's good. So, just let your legs bend naturally. And when this comes up, you should feel kind of that pressure taking off the low back. So this is going to be a little tight. So, here's what we're gonna do. I want you to keep your teeth together and blow out through your nose. big adjustment, isn't it?
Yeah.
Better reflexes. How far did you feel it go down?
I don't even know. Like I felt like in my cheeks.
That's good. All right, let me have you sit up here. Okay, swing to your left one. So, so did it hurt? That's a good question to ask.
It wasn't really like a pain. It was more like a surprise. Like,
Yeah.
whoa.
Yeah.
And then I heard like a ring. Like
Yeah.
you feel a pop in a
Yeah. That's all that compression leaving.
Yeah, right.
But yeah, so it's hard to explain till you get it done.
Yeah.
But
It's not as scary as
it looks weird. It looks scary, but it works. It works great.
like I feel like my lungs opened up.
Yeah,
if
no,
that makes
seriously,
sense.
seriously.
Like I'm like
It adjusts adjusts the ribs and the vertebrae. So I think that will help probably with your asthma. You know, like I said, it's not going to cure that.
right. I'm
But
coming every fall season.
There you
Hey,
go.
hey.
That's right. That's right.
I need help breathing.
That's right. So I'm gonna have you actually walk a little bit right here. I just want to see how you feel walking.
I feel like I'm lighter for some reason.
Yeah, that's one of the most common things people say. It's because we took all the pressure off your joints.
Like I feel different here.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Like I don't know.
Now you can go do cartwheels.
I might can.
Awesome.
We're not gonna put that on camera.
That's right. So would you recommend this to people?
I would definitely recommend this. Like it's scarier than what it actually feels like and what it sounds like.
Yeah, absolutely. And
because the sounds are the scariest part. You're
that's
like,
right.
oh no,
That's right. You're
it's
like,
broken.
that's right.
I don't know what's it feels better.
But yeah, that's right. And you might get a little sore, so ice, water intake is gonna be good, and just keep moving, that sort of thing. But cool. Well, thanks for letting us film
Well, thank you.
Your very
I
first
appreciate
chiropractic
it, right?
adjustment. That's right. So if you need a good chiropractor, we'd love to help you. You can call us at 731-736-4200 or online at chiroplusjackson.com.